Sheffield saw one of the big upsets of this election.
Nick Clegg, Liberal Democrats, 19,756.
This was the moment that Nick Clegg's 12-year career as an MP came to an end.
Jared O'Mara, Labour Party, 21,881.
This heated election caused a rise in turnout in Sheffield Hallam, and a healthy portion of those voters were unusually fired up.
Encouraging young people to go out to vote has always been a tricky business during elections, but this time we saw a surge in the number of 18 to 25-year-olds going to the polls. The majority this time put their weight behind Labour.
Labour's election promise to scrap tuition fees for new students went down well here. Gary Forrest was persuaded to vote Labour, but Tasha voted Lib Dem.
Ever since Brexit happened, I think young people have felt the weight of their vote a bit more. I think they've really realised that they can make a difference, which has been shown in, the big young voter turnout and how it's swung towards Labour. And I think the more people realise what their vote can do, the more they've wanted to get involved with it, and the more they've wanted change, the more they've got involved in change.
I mean, you voted Conservative last time, so
yeah.
What swung it for you this time then, to vote Labour?
I think it was just they were a lot stronger in what they were saying in terms of their whole manifesto this time around. Obviously, university fees, I've been to university now, I have finished, but I still think it's really big for the country, and that's really, really appeals to young people, and it really appealed to me.
There's a huge turnout here, 78% turnout. A lot of that, it seems, is from the youth vote, and of course, if the youth have come out and vote in large numbers, the tuition fees was front and centre. There was a Labour surge amongst those youth votes that's been replicated across the country, and it's played out here.
It's not clear why there was a surge. It could have been anger over Brexit or a feeling of not being listened to. But the rise of the youth vote has been significant in shaping the outcome of this election. Nick Martin, Sky News, Sheffield.